lagoon of Mambucal Resort. This is once in a lifetime, so I'm very happy to be here. We traveled so far. We climbed many mountains, and we hiked that desert just like in Forbidden Kingdom. So I like to keep what's going on, but
yeah, dali yan.
yeah. That is, I brought with me my maid. My maid in my apartment, so to bring the bag, that bag, and to row the boat for me because it's too. Sige na. Yeah. Ha? Oh. Lagoon of Mambucal Resort. For inquiries, please call 0928-7420-668. Just find Jet Li, oh, kitahon ka pa. Oh, kitahon pa ganin mga kan. We will be going to the bridge over there. That's the port, the pier, the pier of Mambucal. Mahulog ni cellphone din ako. Over there you can see that there is a small falls. Super small falls, a petit. Only for pygmies,
Only for me.
I draw. Dami naman island do, katulad karon.
Ito ba ang video yung mga
that house that you can see is my CR. That's just my CR. And the other one is my anyway, if you want to sleep there, just call me and I will reserve it for you. For first come, first call, first serve basis only. Facilitation cost is not it's not allowed. Sige na. We're about to fall. we will fall. Nakitaon ka. Dali lang. Video kanina ko ano. Sorry if we can't take you over there because that's the end of the lagoon. The water is falling there. We have visitors. Many visitors. That one, the one is the Arabo. The others are Chinese. Because many people, many tourists are coming here in Mambucal because the place is very beautiful. As you can see, there is a bird. I think the camera can capture. Sige na, kung pa lang. 4 minutes pa lang.
Hindi ko pwede pa naman plan sa inyo ang video.
Sige lang.
Magandang sa Rogan dito.
Sige lang. We will go there. We will bring you there in the island. Stone Island.
Dapat may wifi or ano, something.
Okay.
Basta may dapat mag-further ka sa video.
Sige lang. Damo dito. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Sige na, videoan mo man ko.
Oo.